Hola amigos, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a new guided workout. Today we're actually at Hoyt Arbitorium here in Portland, Oregon, and we're getting ready to go on a hike. So today we are going to do a pre-hike stretch. This is totally friendly for all kinds of cardiovascular activities in order to make sure you're safe before you get out and get your heart rate up. If you're ready to start, smash that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and begin with some neck rolls. Bring your gaze down. We're going to start with a counterclockwise rotation. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth as we focus on a nice gentle rotation. Continue to focus on your breath. Go ahead and stop and rotate the opposite direction. Going clockwise this time. Last couple of seconds here. We're moving forward into a lateral and deltoid stretch. We're going to widen out our stance with our feet, bring our arms up, and we're going to send our head forward. We're going to bring our hands and bring them into each other, wrap your fingers into each other, and press your elbows towards each other as you find some length in your stance. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, finding a deeper lateral and deltoid stretch. Next up, we have a shoulder stretch. We're going to bring our arms out to our sides. We're going to have the left arm cross the body. Right arm hooks underneath the left elbow, and our gaze goes towards our left shoulder. Focus on your breath. Keep your head and your chest up. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to switch sides here to the opposite arm. Gently release those arms. Right arm this time crosses the body. Left arm hooks underneath the right elbow, and our gaze goes towards our right shoulder. Focus on your breath. We have a couple of seconds left here. We'll be going into a tricep stretch next. We're going to gently release those arms. We're going to have the right arm hook onto the left elbow and pull it towards the right shoulder. Focus on your breath. Keep your stance up nice and strong, straight up. Head and chest are up, and we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last couple of seconds and we're switching arms. Gently release your arms. Left arm grabs onto the right elbow, pulls it towards the left shoulder. Focus on your stance and your breath. Last couple of seconds here before we go into a lateral stretch on our left hand side. We have a couple of seconds left here. Gently release those arms, grab on to both of your elbows, and widen out your stance of your feet a little more. Go ahead and rotate your torso, lean your torso towards your right, bringing your gaze up towards your left elbow. Focus on your breath. Find as much of a lean as you need to find a stretch on your left lateral or your left side. Last couple of seconds and we're switching sides. Gently turn to the opposite direction. Open up your chest and your lungs. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Keep your gaze up. Gently return to your starting position, and we're going into a bicep stretch next. Sending our arms back, thumbs pointing down towards the ground as we stand up nice and straight, keeping our head and our chest up. And then we begin to rotate our palms up and down. Focus on your breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Great job. Next up, we're going into a standing hamstring stretch. Widen out the stance of your feet, bring your arms out to your sides, and gently rotate yourself down to a forward fold towards your left foot. Bringing your hands down to your feet or your knees. Focus on that hamstring stretch, which is located behind your left leg. Back side of your leg, top side. Gently rainbow yourself back up and rotate the opposite direction. Breathing in through your nose as you come on down towards your knee and your foot. Focus on your breath. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going into quad stretch next. Exhale, get yourself back up. We're going to go onto a left foot quads or left side quad stretch, bringing our left foot up, pressing our hip forward, keeping our core engaged to find our balance here. We hold this quad stretch as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Gently release your foot and switch to the opposite side. Core is engaged here. Press your hips forward. Focus on your balance. Keep your head and your chest up and breathe. We have a couple of seconds left here and we're going into a squat next. Gently release your foot. Find a shoulder width stance and send your arms forward and your booty back as if you were sitting down. Key to this is making sure that your knees are not going beyond your toes and keeping your head and your chest up. Hands are out, helping you counterbalance, also helping you keep your head and chest up. We have a couple remaining seconds here. Next up, we're taking it to the ground, going into a child's pose. We're going to send our booties back, our hands forward, and we're bringing our head down towards the ground. Focusing on this child's pose here, opening up our hips, widening out our stance if necessary. Gently, we press up. We're going on all fours for a tabletop. For this, a cat-cow exercise. We're going to inhale, sending our head up. Exhale, sending our spine and belly button towards the sky. Inhale, grounding it, sending it towards the ground. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Next up, my friends, we're going into a knees to chest. Simply lay flat on your back, send your legs up, and hug those knees in. Focus on keeping your shoulders and your head flat on the ground as you hug those knees in. We have a couple remaining seconds here. We're going into a supine stretch next. We're going to lean our body towards the left, lying on our left-hand side. We're going to have our knees bent in front of us, creating an angle of 90 degrees. We're going to send our left arm up and across, opening up our chest, giving us a torso rotation here and a lumbar stretch for our lower back. We focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, and gently return to our starting position. We're now going to switch to the opposite side. Again, we're lying on our side, legs are bent at a 90-degree angle, right arm comes up this time and out, sending your gaze towards your right-hand side for a supine stretch. We focus and we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. And gently return to our starting position. Before we come in for a wrist and ankle roll. Bring those legs up, send those arms out, and we're going to rotate those wrists and those ankles for this remaining 30 seconds in order to get our wrists and our ankles a bit of a stretch as well. All right, my friends, we are ready to hit the trails. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and don't forget to set up your bell so you don't miss any of our future workouts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.